Good morning my dear students, welcome to your maths class. We are doing revision of chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples, right? Okay, now let us recall what we did till our last class. Till the last class we learnt what are the factors of a number, then what are multiples of a number, okay, then after finding common factors of numbers and finding common multiples of numbers, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of factors and multiples, okay. First of all we will discuss the properties of factors, okay. The first one is every number is a factor of itself. What does it mean? See, 3 equal what? 1 into 3, again 13, 1 into 13. See, this 13 it is a factor of this one, right? So, here this 3 is also factor of this 3, right? Okay, so what? The numbers which by multiplying which we get the product, they are called what? Factors, right? So, this 1 and 2, these are called what? Factors of 3, okay. So, in the factors of 3, 3 itself is there, which is the greatest number, okay, among all the factors of 3, right. So, what? Suppose let us take the number 26, right. We can express as a product of two numbers like 1 into 26, right. So, 26 is there in the factors of 26, yes. So, what we can conclude that every number is a factor of itself, okay. Now, moving to the next one, 1 is a factor of every number, it is the smallest factor of every number. Now, see, suppose let us take the number 5, okay. We can express it as 1 into 5. See, 1 is there. Now, let us take another number 19, okay. 1 into 19 equal 19. See, 1 is in both the numbers, 5 in 5 also and in 19 also. Like that way, every number can be expressed, okay. 1 is a factor. If we take another number, suppose 33, we can express that 1 into 33, 1 is there also, right. So, what we can say that 1 is a factor of every number which is the smallest factor of that particular number, okay. Now, moving to the next one, that is the greatest factor of the number is the number itself. Now, see this 6, let us take the example of the number 6. It can be expressed as 1 into 6, 2 into 3, right. Again 3 into 2 will be same like this one, so no need to write it. Okay, now see what are the factors here, 1, 2, 3 and 6, okay. Which one is the greatest here? 6, right. So, what we can say that the greatest factor of the number is the number itself, okay, and smallest factor of any number is what? 1, always 1, and the greatest factor of any number is what? Always the number itself, okay. Now, moving to the next property of factors, okay. None of the factors is greater than the number, okay. Now, let us take the example of the number 8. It can be expressed as 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 4 into 2 will be same, so no need to write that. Now, see what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. Is there any number greater than 8 as a factor of 8? No, right. So, what we can conclude here that the factors of any number cannot be greater than that number. Okay. So all of you have understood this one. It is what? That we can say the factors of any number. Okay. The greatest one is the number itself. Okay. In the factors of 8, no number, okay, can be a factor of 8 which is greater than 8. Okay. Now moving to the next property of factors. Okay, and this one is every number is a factor of 0. See here, 0 into 9, 0, 0 into 7 equal what? 0. This 0 and 9, these are factors of 0. Okay. So have you understood? Right. What? Every number is a factor of 0. Okay. Now with this we have discussed the properties of factors. Okay. Now let us move to the properties of multiples. Okay. Now the first property, it is every number is a multiple of 1. Now see, 1 into 32 equal what? 32. 1 into 6 equal what? 6. 1 into 18 equal what? 18, right? This 32 and this 6 and this 18, they are what? Multiples of 1. Okay. Or you can say that the 32 is a multiple of 1 and 32. Okay. For 6, okay, 6 is a multiple of 1 and 6 also. They are called what? Multiples, and they are called what? Factors. Okay. So I think you are clear with this. Now moving to the next property of multiples. Okay. And it is every number is the smallest multiple of itself. Suppose let us consider the multiples of 4. Okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Like that we will get the numbers, right? Okay. Now see, the numbers which we get along this side to the right hand side of the equal sign, they are called what? Multiples. Okay. Now see, which one is the smallest multiple here of 4? It is 4, right? So what we can conclude, that the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself, right? So you have understood? Okay. Now moving to the next property, a multiple of a number is equal to or greater than that number. Okay. Now see here, let us consider the multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Like that we will get the multiples of 2, right? Now see, which one is the smallest? 2 is the smallest, right? Is there any multiple which in multiples of 2 which is less than 2? No, right? So what? That a multiple of a number is equal to or greater than that number. It may not be smaller than that particular number. Okay. Now moving to the next property of multiples, it is multiples of any number are infinite. Okay. Now see this example, let us consider the multiples of 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 30, 3 into 100, 300, 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakhs, right? Like that way we can get many multiples. Okay. Numerous number of multiples of 3, not only 3, for all the numbers, right? So it is why it is not finite, that means it is limitless, right? Okay. So what does it mean? That if we have to find multiples of any number, then we get what? Infinite number of multiples. Okay. So these are the properties of factors and multiples. Okay. And always remember, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself, and the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. Okay. Now let us recall what we learned today. First of all, we learn, okay, we discuss the properties of factors and multiples with examples also, okay. And in our next class, we will discuss about divisibility rules, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.